I am here at the side courts of DLTA, but with me is the person of center court because he will be tomorrow in center court for 3 times and all will be pros category. Aman, first of all, many congratulations in pro men's singles, in men's pro doubles and in pro mixed doubles. In all 3 categories, you have been killing it. You have been in limelight and you have won it all. Just the final battle. How are you feeling?
Oh, super excited, honestly. It's been a great weekend. The tournament's been organized wonderfully. Congratulations to the organizing team and PWR, Pranav, Vinny, Jain, Adi Khanna, Ashish Khanna. All of them are doing a wonderful job. The tournament director, Mihir. It's been super fun. I'm just excited for the last push, the last battle tomorrow.
So these 3 days, today is the 3rd day. First day you went into the finals, you qualified for the finals for singles. Day 2 doubles, day 3 mixed doubles. What is going through your mind? Like I have been seeing you chilling around with the fellow picklers and you have been talking to them, laughing with them. But when comes the match, you're all serious and you change your tempo like that. How it's happening?
No, of course. I mean, we're all friends at the end of the day. It's once the match is done, you shake hands and you're done with whatever happened on court. So it's just important to stay focused, get into the tournament, get into the match, each match in itself, and just zone in and lock in.
So for 3 days, it has been tiring journey for you till now. But tomorrow is the main day. Tomorrow is it when it counts the most. How are you preparing for that? What are your plans?
No, just I'm going to get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow we start a little late so I can finally rest in and sleep in a little more. But yeah, I'm just going to follow my routine, get in, get on court, get a hit and ready for some action then.
Okay, we will also catch you tomorrow, but let me ask you one thing. How it has been till now and which was the best match for you till now in these 3 days of PWR Duper India Masters?
I feel personally, performance-wise, the semi-finals and the mixed doubles, I played really well. So I would say that was a super match from my end.
In your matches, what I have noticed, there were many things like the match between you and Aditya. There were a lot of shout from the crowd. Inside court also we saw when it came to men's doubles, there was some thing over DRS. So what is all happening and how are you coping with all those issues or things? Because I saw outside court also people were speaking, the opponents were speaking. So what you think of all those moments?
No, I mean, it's just a part and parcel of the game, you know. It happens every now and then and that's not something you should be phased away with. So I just keep focused and it just goes all smooth, honestly.
Okay, thank you for speaking with us and best of luck for tomorrow and I hope that you will win the gold in all 3 categories. Thank you so much.
Take care.